Prime Minister of India's vision of Make in India and Aatmanirbharta has led to self-reliance on land, at sea and in the air.
डिफेंस से जुड़ी हर छोटी छोटी जरूरत के लिए विदेशों पर निर्भरता हमारे देश के स्वाभिमान, हमारे आर्थिक नुकसान के साथ ही रणनीतिक रूप से बहुत ज्यादा गंभीर खतरा है। इस स्थिति से देश को बाहर निकालने के लिए 2014 के बाद हमने मिशन मोड पर काम शुरू किया। बीते दशकों की अप्रोच से सीखते हुए आज हम सबका प्रयास उसकी ताकत से नए डिफेंस इकोसिस्टम का विकास कर रहे हैं।
The course towards Aatmanirbhar has been charted by the Government of India's transformational initiatives. Positive indigenization lists promote indigenous development and design. Dedicated defense corridors provides impetus to defense production. Increase in FDI through the automatic route enhances access to modern technologies. IDEX Innovation Ecosystem supports advanced research and development. Every platform since 2014 has seen increased indigenization, creating greater opportunities for Indian industries both within and outside India. We are now a three-dimensional Aatmanirbhar Navy, capable of operating across the spectrum of naval operations, from disaster relief to all-out combat. Our transformation from a buyer's to a builder's navy has been inspired by our rich maritime legacy of indigenous design and construction. Today, there are 39 ships and submarines under construction in Indian shipyards. 49 more platforms have been accorded acceptance of necessity. Our future submarine program will be our largest Aatmanirbhar project. Being vocal for local has led to innovation and skill development, contributing to Startup India. Aatmanirbhar Bharat has not only created robust infrastructure, it has made us think bigger and bolder. What better proof than Vikrant? Named after our first carrier, the legendary Vikrant, that played a decisive role in 1971, she will be the fourth aircraft carrier to fly the White Ensign. Designed by the Indian Navy's Warship Design Bureau and built by Cochin Shipyard Limited, we now belong to a select group of countries with the capability of indigenously designing and building an aircraft carrier. Her 26,000 tons of warship-grade steel has been developed by DRDO and produced by the Steel Authority of India. Vikrant's 76% indigenous content has been achieved through partnerships with over 90 Indian OEMs, 100 MSMEs and 500 ancillary industries. Above all, Vikrant has provided direct employment for 2,000 personnel at CSL and indirect employment for 13,000 towards plowback effect to the Indian economy.
आपका लक्ष्य होना चाहिए कि भारत का जब अपनी आजादी के 100 वर्ष का पर्व मनाए, उस समय हमारी नौसेना एक अभूतपूर्व ऊंचाई पर हो।
As India powers towards a blue economy, Vikrant will strengthen the Navy's capabilities and be a force multiplier in both defensive and offensive roles.
630, engage!